children these days is that their parents seem to like them. They think they are charming, cute, funny, delightful little miracles. They are not miracles. They are vermin. They are puke bags. They are vile, repellent, sticky-fingered little snot goblins. And it is my job to crush you, you hear? I shall destroy you, maggots. We shall put an end to your satanic ways. Because you, children, are revolting.
Never again will she get the best of me. Never again will she take away my freedom. And we won't forget the day we fought. So the right to be a little bit naughty. Never again the chunky to slay. When I've been bullied down. When it's doubted with mine. When he says I'm a miracle. Never again. Never again will we live behind bars. Never again will we know we are revolting children. Revolting times, we sing revolting songs, using revolting rhymes. We'll be revolting children till our revolting's done, and we'll have a church for revolting, we're revolting. We are revolting children, revolting times, we sing revolting songs, using revolting rhymes. We'll be revolting children till our revolting's done, and we'll have a church for revolting, we're revolting. We'll become a screaming horde. Take out your mickey stick and use it as a sword. Never again will we be ignored. We'll find out where the joke is stored. Draw rich pictures on the board. It's not insulting, we're revolting. B-U-S-P-L-R-E-Y. If it ever was a wrong is right. Everyone and L-R-T-Y. 'Cause we're a little bit naughty, so we gotta stay inside and out. To be isolate at the same time. There is nothing that the church forget. She take her hammer and a stake. You didn't think in the brush or sit off. There was no going on now. R-E-V-O-L-T-I-N. Revolting time. B-U-S-I-N-G. So. B-U-S-I-N-G. R-E-V-O-L-T-I-N-G. It is too late for you. We are revolting. We are revolting children. Revolting times. We sing revolting songs. We sing revolting rhymes. We'll be revolting children till our revolting's done. It is too late for you. We are revolting.
Suur aitäh selle mõnusa minekuga tantsu eest, ma siit aksidest piilusin ja emotsioone, need olid tõelit rolli sisse elanud ja ägedad.